Ultimate Jetfire 1990. Let me start it over. Ultimate Jetfire 1992 here. Ben 10 Ultimatrix Unleashed, episode 24. Vilgax attacks yet again. That's what I'm gonna call this. This one takes place on this mountain. Alright, I'm starting now. Pretty big mountain to climb. Wonder how I'm gonna get up there. Obviously, this way. Spider Monkey! Come on, Ultimatrix! Yeah, run! I want a Spider Monkey! Ah, well. Stop crashes and Vilgax. Did you learn your lesson last time I pummeled you? Oh, not yet, Dennison. Shoot. It's time to slice some wine. Hi, you idiot. Is there an earthquake around here? No, I don't feel it. Apparently you're having a hard time walking. What's up, you idiot? That's it. I'll have fun more starving you in the face. Great, idiot. Tell me when you're gonna strike. The most innocent thing ever. Ow. Got it in between my feet. All my strength ready. You should have rested to get all your strength. You're at full power. You should be easy to can. What? See? Wow, I didn't even do anything. Absorb your powers. Did you use your machine on an Osmosian? I used it on Agricor. Yes, I did. But I would have to absorb you face to face. Ow! Do you have a tough battle, Fiber, or is that how you're done? Yes. I should have rested. I'll come back for you, Dennison. No, can't let you get away. Great. He just got away. This didn't run out of power. Great. Now what am I supposed to do? Later on Veloc's ship.